Hey there, YouTube. Today we're looking at a GEC. This GEC is one I don't have a tube for at the moment. It's put together really well, though. I very much like the jigging. I think this is, not that these are easy to find by any means. Centering's good, but this is one of the more common ones. It's got a nice GEC, very pointy spear. Dang it. Oh man, that thing closes good. It got me. Well, I will press on. Gotta be careful about that. It is a 54. This is a 5422 made in '08. And then this is the clip. Very solid knife. Nothing to complain about. Very much like the jigging. It's super solid, and it offers two of the most, in my opinion, useful blade shapes besides maybe a Warncliffe. And yeah, I know people really enjoy these for users. I don't know if I'll use mine, but maybe. Anyway. So that gives you an idea of what is going on with this knife. I'm pretty sure I did that same exact thing last night. Anyway, if you get a chance, and you might not, pick one of these up. Totally worth it. That's all she wrote for this one. I hope you folks have a good rest of your day. And, yeah.